Punjab is battling one of its worst flood crises in decades, with 28 people dead and over 2.56 lakh residents impacted across 12 districts in just 1 month. Officials have confirmed that relief and rescue operations are being carried out round the clock as the state struggles to cope up with devastation. The calamity was triggered by the overflowing Sutlej, Bees and Ravi rivers, coupled with seasonal rivulets swelling due to heavy rainfall in the catchment areas of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Among the worst hit regions, Pathankot recorded 6 fatalities, while Amritsar, Barnala, Hoshiarpur, Ludhiana, Mansa and Roopnagar reported 3 deaths each. So far, 15,688 people have been evacuated to safety. Rescue data shows Gurdaspur leading with 5,549 rescues, followed by Firozpur 3,321, Fazilka 2,049 and Pathankot 1,139. Over 1,044 villages remain submerged, severely disrupting daily life. The floods have been damaged over 96,000 hectares of farmland, while reports of heavy livestock losses continue to emerge. Authorities said exact figures on agricultural and infrastructure damage will be assessed once the waters recede. The NDRF, SDRF, Army and the Punjab Police have deployed 20 specialized teams to assist in rescue, relief and rehabilitation efforts across the worst affected regions.